In this video, I'm sharing real-deal advice on how to level up your plumbing skills when you're just starting out and want to get better fast. Alright, so you're about a year into your plumbing career at 23 and looking for ways to improve? That's solid because plumbing isn't something you master overnight. First off, keep plugging away and don't hesitate to ask questions, even if they seem basic. Trust me, every pro started exactly where you are now. Reading up on trade manuals is clutch. Hit up your local library or old bookstore and grab some vintage trades books because a lot of the core plumbing principles haven't changed much over the decades, even if the materials have. I've been in this trade for around 40 years and believe me, I've flooded houses, burned stuff, and made some really ugly holes in walls, but that's part of learning. The key is to be like a sponge and soak up as much knowledge as possible from every job and every mistake. Practice patience because solving tricky problems takes time and experience. Also, watch how your lead plumber handles situations because chances are they've already made the mistakes you're about to make. And hey, don't be scared to mess up, just try not to make those mistakes too expensive for the homeowner, you know? One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is rushing through work without fully understanding the system, which leads to leaks or faulty installs down the line, so always double check your work and don't cut corners. Another common issue is not keeping up with new plumbing codes or materials. Staying updated can save you from costly redos or fines. Lastly, a lot of newbies don't communicate clearly with customers or team members, which can cause confusion and slow things down. Just practice being upfront and clear about what you're doing and what the customer can expect. If you're looking to connect with trusted local contractors or find some solid plumbing gigs, bighomeprojects.com is a great spot. It links homeowners with reliable pros nearby and helps contractors like you find consistent work without all the hassle. It's definitely worth checking out if you want to grow your network and get more projects rolling in.